Broadacres are a 6,500 home housing association. We partnered with PH Jones from the beginning of this year to install 100 air source heat pumps and look to do more in the future.
The benefits of an air source heat pump is they're zero emissions at point of use. This will help reduce carbon emissions and make sure that the tenants can heat their homes as efficiently and affordably as possible.
Originally, when we came in here 14 years ago, we had electric storage heating. Broadacres want to go greener, so we've had this air source heating fitted, and we think it's good, very good. The heat is better and it's lovely pressure.
One of the key aspects from Broadacres was they wanted a quality installation job done.
PH Jones helped us out an awful lot. They did everything, took floorboards up, put everything back, carpets back, a right good team there.
Broadacres is one of the largest businesses in North Yorkshire, and we have our part to play in turning North Yorkshire into a carbon negative economy. So anything we can do to reduce the amount of energy homes need is good for people's pockets and it's good for the environment.
You've got to do your bit, everybody has, and eventually it'll have a knock-on effect.
As we move into the future and we go right, spread this across the country, we're going to find that more and more homes have got this technology, which is going to help the country reach net zero